Just when you think the Anthony Garcia murder case can't get any more shocking, today another bombshell.
Yeah, Brendan Scott broke the story for us and has details on why Garcia's judge is stepping aside.
The latest development in the Anthony Garcia case could mean more delays for the former doctor turned accused killer. With his long-awaited trial finally on the horizon in April, his judge recused himself today, stepping down for medical reasons. The announcement caught both Garcia's defense team and prosecutors off guard. The defense said they were shocked by this. Are you shocked?
Oh, sure. I mean, we anticipated moving forward to Judge Doherty's courtroom on April 4th, but it's a very unfortunate situation.
This is Garcia's new courtroom, and that's the name of his new judge, Judge Gary Randall. Judge Randall is a Creighton alum, and since a lot of this case revolves around Creighton University Medical Center, Garcia's defense asked if Judge Randall's association with Creighton would be a conflict. The judge said no. Prosecutors believe Garcia carried a grudge after getting fired from Creighton University Medical Center's pathology lab, a grudge which turned into motive for murder. His alleged first victims were stabbed to death in 2008, the 11-year-old son and housekeeper of Garcia's boss, Dr. William Hunter. Then, 5 years later, Dr. Roger Brumbach and his wife Mary were killed. Dr. Brumbach was also one of Garcia's superiors. According to prosecutors, when he was fired from Creighton in 2001, Garcia thought his life was ruined, and he was desperate to destroy the lives of the doctors he believed were responsible. His new judge plans to stick to the trial schedule. News prosecutors were glad to hear.
We need to keep moving, and this judge will keep things moving.
And we're live at the Douglas County Courthouse, where Anthony Garcia sat inside his new judge's courtroom today and heard this announcement for himself. But his lead defense attorneys weren't with him. John and Mallory, those attorneys are based in Chicago. They didn't have enough time to make it here, so they dialed in on a speakerphone.
Well, it was quite a shock. Did Garcia's defense have anything else to say, Brandon?
They sure did. They had a lot to say, including how they could very well refile some motions which were already decided by the previous judge. These are motions that they want the new judge to hear.
Definitely something we'll keep following. And Garcia was in court just last week. This for a series of motions about discrediting witnesses and suppressing evidence.
His new judge has decided before taking up the case that he'll have the former judge making a ruling on those issues first.